Hello guys, my name is JC, otherwise well, you guys know the deal. Well, we're here, back at it again, I guess. This planet should have taken a long time to get away. But we're going to be making a wooden play button, so I've kind of cut out a piece of wood. I got started on it a little bit because I was actually recording with another camera, and it didn't work out so well, I guess. So basically, what we're going to do is, we're going to try to go ahead and kind of cut this down pretty well and see if we can get the nice looking play button look that we're going for. So I'm going to basically, this is some time lapse, some good music, but thank you once again for 1,000 subscribers, guys. Totally a lot of subs. Wow. I never thought I'd get there in 3 months, so I appreciate y'all, and of course, let's get right into it, I guess. I've got a lot of sanding to do. Oh boy.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Until you find your way back home.
I've kind of got this really good looking idea right here, which is kind of where we take this green light, I guess, and I'm going to get it so you guys can actually see it, but it's going to be like backlit, I guess, and you know, I've got a light hooked up to it, and then that way it kind of does like this backlit cool looking thing. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go drill some holes in.
I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Just like a phoenix, born from the ashes, I take care of my own. Torn down where I stand. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king on my own throne, my own throne. King on my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start hot gluing this down. I got some hot glue. Looks like it's ready to go. I'm just gonna have to put this. Let me just get a paper towel real quick. Put it down. So basically, the footage that I had earlier of doing this actually kind of got corrupted. So you can see from the back though exactly what happened. But I'm gonna kind of go ahead and put some hot glue around the lights itself. Hopefully they will not go anywhere then. And I guess we'll be right back.
Born from the ashes, 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 born from the. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king on my own throne, throne, oh, oh, oh. King on my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all. You'll never steal the rain, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never steal the throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own throne. I'm in love with the cold, cold. I got it for the Lord, 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 Lord. Got it for the Lord, Lord. I hit my plug, that's a troll. He got it for